Welcome to Beacon Rock State Park. This rock is made up of gray andesite. It's an amazing, explosive volcanic nick formed 57,000 years ago. Not much has changed here since Lewis and Clark first sighted this 845-foot monolith back in 31st of October 1805. The paddling here, as you can see, is very relaxing. Lewis and Clark's journals first named this Beaten Rock, but subsequently changed it to Beacon Rock. Let's stow our drone and paddle gear and take a hike up to the top for some amazing views. Here we are at the base. We're going right up there. You ready?
Yeah.
Beacon Rock. Nathan's leading the way. Oh my goodness, it goes straight up. Getting there. Not for the faint of heart. We got some serious hike going on here.
Not too bad.
Mega switchbacks. Look at some of this old rock work too. It's amazing. Look at that. This trail built by Henry J. Biddle, assisted by Chas Johnson, 1915. Took 3 years. Uh-oh. Fear for your life. Pretty crazy. Keeps going up, up. Maybe the original railing from the early 1900s. Oh, that's a view. Pretty windy up here. Nothing but straight up. And straight down. Yeah, there's some of the engineering. Nice little concrete foundations. Nothing wrong with that. Little archway. Steel beams. Water just looks amazing. See the white caps out on the Columbia. Boom, straight down. I think so. We must be getting close, maybe. Be a good climbing area, huh?
Oh, magical. Yeah.
Wow.
So is Low North though.
Yeah. Yep, that must be the final summit right there. Let's do it. Yeah, we made it. Woo! High five, man. Whew. That's a climb, but it's worth it. This was carved out by the Missoula floods. I think this is a andesite monolith, volcanic in nature, but the big Missoula glacier floods just carved it out. Yeah. Good spot for some lunch, right next to the survey marker. Washington State Parks, 1997 monument. Used to put those in. I know all about them. Sandwich at the summit. Oh yeah. That's definitely a workout, but it's so worth it. Interesting, they imported these railings from England. Amazing what you notice when you're having lunch. Oh, it's a lot easier on the way down. You're almost there though. It's getting crowded now. Easy. Really? There's a chopper getting a view of the rock. This is the best side. I'm glad we got some wind today too, because the wind's helping us out, keeping us cool. We're here in beautiful Washougal at the Ashwood Taps and Trucks. taco count right here. Oh yeah, thank you. There's some tacos here. Hey, cheers, mate. There you go. To conquering Beacon Rock. Yeah, that was good. Fun times at Beacon Rock State Park with my son and wife. Join us next time as we explore the Pacific Northwest. Hit that like and subscribe button.